Greetings, everyone. Along with Eddie Olczyk, Mike Emrick. When you are playing in the driveway, street hockey in the summertime, and you're broadcasting to yourself, it's always Game 7, Stanley Cup Final, everything on the line. Can't imagine what the feeling is like. Can you?
I can, Doc. Lucky enough to have won a Stanley Cup in an opportunity of a lifetime. And whether you're at home or on the road, it's an opportunity of a lifetime. But for the road team, to me, the first 10 minutes in the first period maybe could determine their fate on whether or not they win the Stanley Cup or not.
Let's look at the starting netminders. Andrei Pavlich is in goal. 6'3", 220, good sized. Native of the Czech Republic. Has spent his years with one organization, Atlanta Thrashers, Winnipeg Jets. Won an American Hockey League playoff title with the Chicago Wolves. Steve Mason is in the crease tonight, and not even a decade ago was a junior hockey player in London, Ontario, winning 45 games, plus 9 in the playoffs en route to the Memorial Cup, Canadian junior hockey's top prize. Carries it up the side. And the game is over. The series is over. These are the Stanley Cup champions. These guys started back in the fall. Their dream was to be at this very moment, and the dream is realized. And so now the handshakes. One team hopes there'll be more smiles in at least another handshake line in the near future. The man chosen playoff MVP gets the Conn Smythe Trophy. Boy, is this ever well deserved. It's often said it's the hardest prize to win because it takes 8 weeks. And by tradition, the captain is the first to hold it high. And there's always a pecking order as to how it gets handed off, and that's all a part of Stanley Cup lore. You can only imagine how much soreness you fight through in a collision sport. Guys have lifted this cup with dislocated shoulders after hernia surgeries just 2 days before. Doesn't matter. It's over 30 pounds. They find a way. You play that hard and that long. You get your names on a trophy, rings on your fingers, and one last photograph. Evidence of it all.